Understanding the litmus test, an essential phrase in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll be exploring a fascinating phrase in the English language, the litmus test. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can greatly enhance your English comprehension. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery behind the litmus test. The term litmus test originally comes from chemistry. Litmus is a special dye extracted from lichens. When used in labs, it changes color to indicate whether a substance is acidic or alkaline. This simple yet effective test has transcended its scientific origins to become a popular metaphor in everyday language. In everyday English, the litmus test refers to a single factor or an event that decisively indicates the presence or absence of a quality, condition, or truth. It's used to signify a definitive test that gives a clear, binary outcome: yes or no, good or bad, true or false. For example, in politics, a candidate's stance on a key issue can be a litmus test for voters. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life contexts. 1. In a job interview, her ability to solve complex problems on the spot was the litmus test for her suitability for the role. 2. In relationships, trust is often the litmus test for the strength of a relationship. 3. In product testing, customer feedback is the litmus test for the product's market readiness. While the litmus test is a straightforward phrase, it's important not to confuse it with tests that have ranges or spectra of results. The litmus test is about clear, binary outcomes, not gradations or scales. And that wraps up our exploration of the litmus test. We hope this video has illuminated this interesting phrase for you and that you can now use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and history they carry. Until our next video, keep learning and exploring the richness of the English language.